Burlington, Vermont Metropolitan Area. The Burlington Metropolitan Area is a metropolitan area consisting of the three Vermont counties of Chittenden, Franklin, and Grand Isle. The metro area is anchored by the principal cities of Burlington, South Burlington, St. Albans and Winooski, the towns of Colchester, Essex and Milton, and the village of Essex Junction. According to 2012 U.S. Census estimates, the metro area had an estimated population of 213,701, approximately one-third of Vermont's total population. The Office of Management and Budget defines the area as one of its metropolitan statistical areas, the Burlington-South Burlington Metropolitan Statistical Area, a designation used for statistical purposes by the United States Census Bureau and other agencies. The MSA designation represents the counties containing the contiguous urbanized area centered on the city of Burlington, plus adjacent counties that are socially and economically linked to the urban core as measured by commuting. An alternative definition using towns instead of counties as basic units is the Burlington-South Burlington, New England City and Town Area NECTA. Counties. List of counties making up the MSA. Chittenden, Franklin, Grand Isle. Towns and cities. List of towns/cities making up the NECTA. Demographics. As of the census of 2000, there were 198,889 people, 75,978 households, and 49,300 families living within the MSA. The racial makeup of the MSA was 95.43% white, 0.74% African American, 0.58% Native American, 1.53% Asian, 0.2% Pacific Islander, 0.30% from other races, and 1.40% from Hispanic or Latino of any race were 0.94% of the population. Economy. The metro had a gross metropolitan product of $8.38 billion in 2004, 38.2% of the total for the state. Personal income was $7 billion. Personal income. The median income for a household in the MSA was $44,122, and the median income for a family was $51,690. Males had a median income of $35,363 versus $26,070 for females. The per capita income for the MSA was $21,175. The median wage in the area in 2008 was $16.47 hourly, or $34,258 annually. This was 7.6% higher than in the rest of the state. Industry. The largest industrial facility in Vermont is GlobalFoundries' semiconductor plant in Essex Junction. GlobalFoundries took over the plant in June 2015 after IBM ceased operations at the plant. As of 2008, GE Healthcare employed 780 people in Burlington. Companies headquartered in the metro area include Dealer.com, headquartered in Burlington; Burton Snowboards, headquartered in Burlington; Lake Champlain Chocolates, headquartered in Burlington; Seventh Generation, Inc., headquartered in Burlington; Ben and Jerry's Homemade, Inc., headquartered in South Burlington; Vermont Student Assistance Corporation, headquartered in Winooski; My Web Grocer, headquartered in Winooski; Pet Food Warehouse Vermont, headquartered in South Burlington. Hospitals include University of Vermont Medical Center in Burlington and Colchester and Northwestern Medical Center in St. Albans. Volunteers. The metropolitan area ranked 10 points higher than the U.S. average, helping to propel the state to 9th in the country for volunteerism for the period 2005-8. 37.4% of the population volunteered during this period. The national average was 26.4%. The local average annual number of hours was 40.8. Public health and safety. One study ranked the area fourth highest in gun safety out of 100. Media. There are 4 network-affiliated television stations in the city. They include WFFF Channel 44 Fox, WFFF's digital subchannel 44-2 the CW its sister station, WVNY Channel 22 ABC, WPTZ NBC, and WCAX Channel 3 CBS. WCAX, WFFF, and WPTZ operate news departments. WCAX is the only Burlington-based news department, while WPTZ is licensed in Plattsburgh, New York. It operates out of South Burlington. WFFF and WVNY are also based in Colchester. Vermont PBS is based in Colchester. Comcast Communications is the city's major cable television service provider. Residents within the city limits are also served by municipally owned Burlington Telecom. These public access channels are Burlington-based. Public access television Beacon Channel 15, Retin Channel 16, and Channel 17. Newspapers published in the Burlington metropolitan area include Burlington Free Press Burlington, Vermont, St. Albans Messenger St. Albans, Vermont, Franklin County Courier in Osberg Falls, VT, The Islander North Harrow, Vermont, Milton Independent Milton, Vermont, the other paper South Burlington, Vermont, 7 Days Burlington, Vermont, Shelburne News, Shelburne, Vermont, the Vermont Standard Woodstock, Vermont, Williston Observer, Williston, Vermont,